Look at this, I made these 4 dishes just in 40 minutes, and it tastes amazing. Best part of this plate is that all items are based on minimal or no oil recipe. Good for health, time saving, and budget. At first, we will take overnight soaked chickpea. If you forget to soak them at night, do not worry. Add boiling water into washed chickpea and leaves for at least 1 hour. Now give these chickpea one well set medium to low flame, then cool it down. Check this, it is 30% cooked here. Now we will take out 1 to 2 big scoop of boiled chickpea in a bowl to make chickpea salad. This is our second dish we are going to prepare side by side. Check this, it is perfect for making chickpea salad. Chickpeas are high in protein and are really good for breastfeeding mothers to support more milk supply. Now put a small pan to boil tea water. Add any dry tea that you have into pan. Add some cloves and whole black pepper. We will use this water into chickpea curry. It not only enhances the taste, but also helps to get that perfect chickpea curry color that is served in dhaba in India. Let it boil, and on the other hand, take out boiled chickpea water aside, as we are going to add tea water into this. Keep that water aside, we can use it to maintain the consistency of curry. For no oil chickpea curry, we will cut roughly 1 onion, green chilies long sliced, ginger and garlic whole cloves, and then cut 2 tomatoes into half and make a layer of all these over the chickpeas. Now add the boiling tea water into chickpeas. Make sure to strain this water, do not add it directly. Look at this, only chickpeas are got soaked into tea water, and this is perfect balance. You must not let dip whole masala into water. Not cover it and wait for 3 to 4 whistle along with. Put a pan on gas, add water, zira, garam masala, salt, and let it boil, then add 1 bowl of rice and let them cook side by side. Our third dish is getting ready. Our fourth dish is preparing raita. Take a big bowl, add curd into this, then add chopped coriander and green chilies. Add black pepper powder, salt, and little bit red chili powder. Mix it well. Our fourth dish is ready. This tastes amazing. Look at this consistency. You can add raw milk to make it thin and boil milk to make it more thick as you want. Cover this as it is all ready. Now our chickpea has been completely cooked after 3 to 4 whistle. And side by side, our rice also prepared. Drain the water from rice and it's all set. This is our fourth dish to prepare. Add the separated chickpea into a pan. Add olive oil. Little bit add chickpeas into this roast for a few minutes. Then add chopped cucumber, green chilies, coriander, tomato, and onion mix. I well and squeeze a half lemon into this. Add salt, black pepper, powder, and mix it well all see. Now we have left one last dish, which is curry. After opening pressure cooker, you will see that everything is cooked. So we'll take off tomatoes peels off it, come off so easily, and mesh everything into cooker, and you will get very nicely thicker consistency of chickpea curry. Now last step, to add masala. I am going to add kasuri methi, Kashmiri chili powder for coloring, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and any garam masala that you have. Mix it nicely and add the water that we have taken out initially. Now just cover it and let it boil. We are not going to whistle it here. Just cover it slightly to get boiled nicely so that all flavor of masala get into curry. This is a completely option step. You can absolutely skip it if you want. No oil chickpea curry. I am going to add pure desi ghee, hot it, then add pinch of zira, thinly sliced ginger, green chili, and coriander stems. Roast it and add into chickpeas. And here you go. Just in 40 minutes, all 4 dishes are ready. If you like this recipe, please do not forget to like and leave your comments. For more easy and tasty dishes, serve it hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching.